Hey YouTube, it's me, Malcolm the Boss here. Today I'm back with another video. So I can't believe this video, the mini Lego puzzle box, has over 1,000 views. I can't believe it's been viewed over 1,000 times. And so I have a ton of comments asking, how do you build it? So, like, there's my comment. Just, can you tell me how to build it? Can you tell us how to build it? Nice, thanks for the shout out. Thank you. How do you build it? So it's like 3 or 4 people asking how to build it. So, and they wanted a slower version. Some of you guys wanted a slower version. So here's the version that I made. I know it's really, really fast. But what I'll do is I'll record it and slow it down. So what I'm going to do is, so that's what it is. I'll show you that. So it's just a 4x4 plate with 1x2 smooth, 1x2 smooth right there, 1x1 flat piece, and a 1x1 smooth. Next you had a 1x1 with 1x1 or 1x2 smooth. I can slide back and forth. So then once you have that built, you're going to build this piece. It's a 2x3 they place right there. Then a 1x2 piece and a 2x4 with 3/4 of it filled in with smooth. I'm putting that so it's the color that matches the puzzle box, just like that. So I'll give you a little bit of time to do that. Next, what you're going to want to do is another 1x2 right there. Just like that. Get a 2x4. Maybe I can show you guys. Get a 2x4, 1x4, another 2x4 flattener, and then a 1x3. So I'll try to show you guys that. Sorry about this. Okay. So like that. Just adding the 2x4 on the bottom. And then just basically a 1x3 like that. I know it's a 1x4, just minus that and a 1x3. And then stick it right there, and I'll show you where it goes. See? Right above there with the sliding 1x2. So I'll give you a second to look at that. Then, what you're going to want to do next is get a 1x4, a 1x4, and put a 1x2 under it, so that it'll fit on the puzzle box. So it'll look a little something like this, just of course in a different color, like that. You put it on. Then it's a piece that looks like here. See when you're doing that, and then just like that. Then a 1x1 smooth to go right there, and then a 1x1 flat that goes just like this, and put a 1x1 smooth right there. So that's that piece. I'll give you a look at it. Remember to put the 1x1 smooth right there. So give you a look at it. Just like that. Then the next piece is a 1x3 and a 1x2 and a 1x1 smooth. So I'm sorry I don't have the 1x1 smooth with me right now, but just like this, and put 1x1 smooth right there, so that when they connect, look like that. But there's 1x1 smooth right here. So this is basically the piece that it is. Then you slide it into that part right there, you see? Then with that thing that I just built incredibly fast right there was the key piece. It's a 1x2 smooth and a 1x2 flat, just like this. As you can see, you put that right there. Then what you just do is get a 2x2, 1x1 and 1x3, or two 1x2s, and you arrange them like this. So arrange them just like this. Like that, and you put it there. So it's covering all of that in there, and then you just put slap a 2x4 or a 4x4 flat on it, or something like that. Then the money that you just saw, you can do a 4x4 plate on the top, or two 2x4 or two 2x4 bricks. Is the thing with the cash and your reward is a 1x2 money, Lego money on a 1x3 flat, and 1x1 smooth on it. So basically like that, but there's a smooth right where the brown brick is. So that was it. I hope that helped you just a little bit, and I'll show you it in fast motion once more. Sorry, this video is really long. Okay, man, load, man. Never decides to load. I'll show you. Whatever. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please be sure to subscribe. I hope this helped you guys if you wanted to build it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.